Hey everyone, check out this ultimate 4-foot heavy punching bag built for intense home gym training. It comes as a complete 9-in-1 set including high-density gloves, hand wraps, and a jump rope. The multi-layer Oxford fabric and sturdy 360-degree rotating hanger ensure maximum durability and smooth rebound. You can easily customize the weight by filling it with your preferred materials up to 80 pounds. This versatile gear delivers a professional boxing experience right in your own home. Get ready to elevate your workouts and crush your fitness goals today. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.